Stop reinventing the wheels. Let me show you how the top internet millionaire gurus are making thousands of dollars in commissions, affiliate commissions, by promoting other people's product the legitimate way. Okay? 97% of all the affiliates are making money just like this, the way I'm about to share with you in this video. Even all the top Clickbank affiliate gurus who are making thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions promoting other people's products, they are doing it this way. So stop reinventing the wheel and stop making it complicated and hard. It's very easy. Follow a simple step-by-step process and you can make money like this, okay? So I'm going to share with you step by step how to make money like this. I have helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have become millionaires, mentors, and coach. Okay, if you follow my steps, follow my recommendation with the correct mindset, not this complaining mindset that you come from your 9-to-5 job and you're complaining, this doesn't work, don't listen to him, don't do this. If you're someone like that, even Bill Gates can't help you, even Warren Buffett and Elon Musk can't help you. Okay, you need to change yourself from inside first. Okay, so if you have the right mindset, you can go from zero to hero. If you don't have the right mindset, if you're a hero, you're going to become zero. Simple as that. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, just smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Share the link. Press the share button and share this video with the people you care. If you're really serious about making money online and you're sick and tired with all the things that's happening out there, okay, and if you're sick and tired jumping from one product to another product to another product to another product, one video to another video to another video to another video, then you need to keep watching, listen, put your trust, build your self-esteem, build your self-confidence, and believe in yourself, and follow my steps, and you will start to make money online. Okay, oh yeah, another one more thing, don't be a freebie. Okay, you know these people who are complaining most of the time, oh, don't listen to him, don't, he's this, he's that. These are freebie people, freebie, looking for free stuff. They want free. They don't want to spend any money. They don't want to take out that wallet out of their pocket to buy a product, buy systems, buy education, buy mentorship program. They don't want to do that. They're looking for free stuff. Okay, you can't build a business with free, but if you want to rapidly get instant results, fast results, and have scalable income, you need to learn how to invest in your business. Okay, that's one of the biggest secret to becoming successful. Learn how to invest. Stop being a freebie. Okay, freebie mindset is a negative mindset. Okay, you're not building a business. If you want to stay freebie, just stick to your 9-to-5 job. Stop searching for ways to make money online. All right, so let's get into this. Don't reinvent the wheels. All right, I'm going to show you how all the top millionaires and gurus are making money. It's very easy, very simple. You do this. This used to work 20 years ago, 15 years ago, 10 years ago, 5 years ago, and it still works. Everyone is doing it, and it's a proven method that's continued to work to promote other people's product, promote your courses, sell your products, sell your system, sell other people's products, sell your coaching program. It has worked over and over and over again, and it's still working. I don't know why you're not doing it. I don't know what can convince you that this is the real business model that's still working. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is, how people are doing it. Okay, so let's get into this. This is the product I am going to promote today. Okay, this is the product. This is not my product. I didn't create a product. I didn't create this sales page. I didn't create this video. This is someone else's product. They done the heavy lifting for me, basically. Excuse me. They done the heavy lifting for me. Sales page they created. They probably hired someone, paid thousands of dollars to create this sales page, this video, everything. I'm just promoting it and I'm going to get paid commission. So let's do this. I'm going to come here. Okay, I'm going to go to my emails. Keep watching. I'm going to go to my newsletters. Okay, I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm going to come here and I'm going to just click on duplicate. confirm. Boom. I'm going to change this. Alright. I'm going to change this to Saturday. Simple. Alright. And then I'm going to write a quick email, but I already have this email. Okay. So I'm just going to come here. Okay. Click here. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to come here. And I'm going to click on this tick button. Boom. Alright. I'm going to do the same for here. Okay. I'm going to come here. Click on this. Get rid of this. Go like this. Click on this. Boom. Done. How easy was that? Okay. How easy was that? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure everything is looking good. You alright? I'm going to come here, go to the top, click on save and send. Boom. What did I just do? I sent an email to those people who's looking for ways to make money online. That's what I done. Alright? How did I do that? It's very simple. Okay? You just have to learn how to do this. It's a step-by-step process. Step 1. You need to build a sales funnel, a sales landing page, squeeze page, just like this. Step 2. You need to drive traffic to a page just like this. Step 3. People opt in. You're building a high quality email list and you help these people with legitimate real products, free training, free educational videos, free bonuses. And you help someone, in return you make money. It's a win-win. They get what they want, you get what you want. Everyone is doing it this way. Why are you trying to reinvent the wheel? Why are you making it complicated? Why are you making it hard? It's that simple. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Step 3, do this. And then focus. Persistent. That's it. Everyone's doing it. You know all these big fat commissions that you're seeing, people are making thousands of dollars every single day with different affiliate products. They're doing it this way. This is how they're doing it. They blast their email out to their entire list. Overnight they make thousands of dollars in commissions. They build that list. They focus. They're not jumping around from one video to another video to another video looking for that push button. They are focused. What's the focus? They have a squeeze page just like this. Step 2, they drive traffic. They keep on marketing and advertising their squeeze page. Every single day, that's their job. They're building a list. They're getting 10 subs every day, then 15 subs every day, then 20 subs, then 30 subs, then 40 subs. Keep on doing it until they get a list of 5,000 subscribers, then 10,000, then 20,000, then 30,000, then 40,000, then 50,000, and they keep on growing it. While growing it, they're building a relationship with those subscribers. They're helping them. They're providing them with free stuff, free bonuses, free tutorials, free training, free education, free programs, free systems. And then at the same time, if they find something that's good, that's up to date, that's latest, that's going to help them change their life, they will reach out to them with this product system. They buy the product. You make commission. Boom. This is how it's all done. Stop reinventing the wheel. Now, if you want to learn how I can help you make money doing it the right way, instead of you jumping from one video to another video to another video, one product to another product to another product, check out the link in my description box below this video. I can help you. I can help you change your mindset. I can help you change the way you think. And I can help you make thousands of dollars in commissions online. If you want to watch some cool videos coming your way, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do it now. Don't wait till tomorrow. It's not going to cost you a single penny. Do it now. Just click on that subscribe button. Click on the thumbs up. Click on the share button. And share this video. This one video can be more than enough to change someone's life. So, Let's do this. Let's do this together. Let's go.